Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix Qubo Dash Cam not connecting to Wi-Fi, network, app and reset troubleshooting guide. Fix 1. Enable Wi-Fi on the Qubo Dash Cam. Turn on the dash cam and then open the dash cam settings. Now make sure Wi-Fi is enabled. Fix 2. Reconnect the dash cam Wi-Fi. Open Wi-Fi settings on your phone and forget the Qubo dash cam network. Now connect to it again using the correct password. Fix 3. Restart the dash cam and phone. Turn off the dash cam, then restart your phone. Now turn the dash cam back on and try connecting again. Fix 4. Update or reinstall the Qubo app. Check for updates in the App Store or Play Store and install any available updates. If needed, uninstall and reinstall the Qubo app. Fix 5. Reset the dash cam. Locate the reset button on the dash cam and press and hold it for 5 to 10 seconds. Now wait for the camera to restart and set up the Wi-Fi connection again. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.